All right, let's talk about how you can build a really profitable business from scratch just by selling digital templates.
So let's just jump right in. The goal, it's this number right here, $200 a day. And we're going to walk through a simple but really powerful method to build a business that can bring in that kind of passive income.
Okay, but how would you actually do that, especially with zero startup costs? I mean, is that for real? Well, it all comes down to a very specific kind of digital product that has an incredibly low barrier to entry. We are talking literally $0 out of your pocket to get started. This opportunity is all about something called Systeme.io templates. So let's dig into why these things represent such a unique zero startup cost business you can start like right now. So what makes this so powerful? It's a combination of things, really. Unlike a lot of other platforms, Systeme.io has a completely free plan, so you can start for, well, free. The templates themselves are shared with just a simple link, which is a total game changer. Plus, it's genuinely fun and creative, and you end up learning a super valuable skill, funnel building, along the way.
Okay, so now that we get why this is such a cool opportunity, let's get into the what's, the different ways you can actually turn your creative templates into cold, hard cash. You've basically got three main ways to make money here. The first one is the most obvious. You sell your templates as a straightforward digital product. The second way is to give them away for free as a lead magnet to build your email list like crazy. And third, you can earn affiliate commissions. Every time someone signs up for System through your template link and eventually upgrades, you get paid. And here's the best part. You don't have to pick just one. This model is super flexible. You can actually blend all three of these strategies together to create a really powerful and diversified business.
So what kind of complicated, expensive software do you need for all this? You're probably going to be surprised by how simple and accessible the toolkit really is. Seriously, this is pretty much it. You need a free System.io account. That's where you build and share the templates. Then you've got Canva, which is perfect for creating awesome-looking graphics for your sales page. And of course, ChatGPT can be your secret weapon for writing all the text, coming up with ideas, and even creating a list of frequently asked questions. And this quote right here, it just nails why this works so well. The technology behind it is the magic. That seamless one-click sharing process is what unlocks this entire business model. It just works. Okay, time to get into the nitty-gritty, the actual mechanics of this. To sell your templates, you're going to use a simple but brilliant structure called the two-funnel system. And don't worry, a funnel is just a fancy word for the pages a visitor clicks through to buy something. So here's the big idea. You're actually using two funnels, not just one. Think of the first one as your storefront, your shop window. Its only job is to sell the template. And the second funnel? That is the product. That's the actual thing your customer gets. Let's just break that down a little more so it's super clear. You've got your sales funnel, that's your shop window, with a sales page and an order form to take the payment. Then you've got the share funnel. That's the prize, the actual product, the template that gets zapped right into your customer's account after they buy. Now, to make sure that sales funnel actually, sells, your sales page has to be on point. A little video showing off the template is huge. You need to clearly spell out everything they're getting, maybe throw in some bonuses to make it a no-brainer, and definitely have an FAQ section to answer any questions before they even ask. Okay, now for the part that I think is the most satisfying, putting this whole thing on autopilot. Let's build a system that delivers your product instantly, 24/7, without you having to do a thing. And it really just comes down to this three-step blueprint. It's super straightforward. First, you set up your order form. Second, you design the page they see after they buy. And third, you create one simple automation rule. That's it. This ensures you get paid and your customer gets their template even while you're sleeping. Okay, step one. It's super easy. Inside your sales funnel, you find the order form page. You just have to tell the system, hey, I'm selling a digital product here. You give it a name, you set your price, and you're done with this step. Step two is all about that instant gratification for your customer. The thank you page is what they see the second their payment is approved. This is where you put the magic share link for your template. They click it, and boom, it's in their account. This is also the perfect spot to add links to any bonuses you promised. And the final piece of the puzzle, the last step in our automation, is setting up a rule. You just say when a new sale happens, then you tell the system to automatically add a tag to that customer and send them a nice confirmation email with all the details and the share link one more time just in case. It's professional and covers all your bases. And just like that, the whole system is built. You have the complete blueprint for a business that can run itself with practically zero startup cost. The system is ready. The only question left is, what amazing template are you going to create first?